Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Nadjan. Welcome. In today's video, we're gonna learn how to make a Peter Pan collar. You can decorate all of your t-shirts, your sweaters, anything you want actually. I'm gonna show you how to make this cute collar. You can make them in many other colors of your choice. You can add buttons or ribbons around it to tie it up. So I'm gonna show you how to make this color and we will decorate it later. So the materials that we need is 1 ball of amigurumi yarn. I am using Gazzal Pareo yarn in this tutorial, but you can use it in different colors, so that's also okay. Our 2.5mm hook, our scissors. Let's start. We're using Gazzal Pareo in colors yellow and greenish, but there are a lot of different colors with this yarn, so you can choose whichever you want. I made another one with this white and blue one. It looks like a denim, but we're gonna make a Peter Pan collar with this yarn today. We're gonna start with 115 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17.
A few moments later.
150. Now we're gonna make half double crochet all the way to the end, starting from the 4th chain. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Starting from the 4th chain from the hook, we're gonna make half double crochets till the end of the row.
A few moments later.
We are done with the first round. We half double crocheted all around, so the colors look like this. In the second round, starting the second round, we're gonna make 3 chains. And the thing we're gonna do is skip the first stitch here and 1 double crochet into the next stitch. Chain 2 and 1 double crochet into the same stitch. So it's looking like this. And we're gonna skip the next stitch and 1 double crochet into the next stitch. So we're gonna repeat this till the end of the row. Skip next stitch, 1 double crochet, chain 2, 1 double crochet into the same stitch, and skip next one and 1 double crochet into the next stitch. We're gonna repeat this pattern till the end of the row.
A few moments later.
We are done with the second round and it looks like this right now. It's looking very cute. And in the third round, we're gonna do chain 3, and we're gonna go into this 2 chain space here, and we're gonna make 2 double crochets, 1, 2, and chain 2 again, and 2 double crochets in the same 2 chain space. 1, 2. and we're gonna make one double crochet on top of the single double crochet here. And again, we're gonna go into this 2 chain space, 2 double crochets, chain 2, and 2 double crochets in the same space. And 1 double crochet on top of the single double crochet here. So it's looking like this. We're gonna keep repeating till the end of the row.
A few moments later.
Now we're done with this row. It's looking like this. And for the next round, again, we're gonna start with chain 3, 1, 2, 3. And we're gonna do the same thing that we did before, but we're gonna do it like in the chain 2 space here. We're gonna make 3 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, chain 2, and 3 double crochets in the same stitch, again, same chain space. 1, 2, 3. And the single double crochet here, we're gonna make 1 double crochet right on top of it. And again, on this chain 2 space, we're gonna make 3 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, chain 2, and 3 double crochets in the same chain 2 space. 1, 2, 3. And 1 double crochet right on top of this single double crochet here. And we're gonna repeat the exact same thing till the end of the row, and it's looking like this.
A few moments later.
We're done with this round, and it's looking like this, very cute. And for the last round, we're gonna again chain 3, turn, and in this double chain space, 2 chain space, we're gonna double crochet 8 double crochets inside of this loop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Like this. And 1 double crochet on top of this single double crochet. Just right on top of it. So it's looking like this. So we are going to continue doing the same thing. 8 double crochets inside this 2 chain space and 1 double crochet on top of this single double crochet. Repeat this till the end of the row.
A few moments later.
We're going to cut the yarn. Pull the loop through. And we are done with our Peter Pan collar. And we're done. So if you like this pattern, you can try it in different colors, different materials, and also you can decorate it. Let me show you. It's super fun. This is one thing that you can do. I added some ribbons and I added some chickens around here, and it's looking super cute, and you can actually make the chain longer or shorter to match your neck. but the pattern will be the same. It's not gonna change at all. So you can just play around the chain count, and you can add a couple of items, plushies and ribbons like this. So it's more fun and more playful. There is more character to it. Let me show you another one. This is another example of how you decorate this. And you can add a button here to make it more tidy, and it's looking super cute, super spring vibes. If you want my written patterns, the link is in the description down below for my Etsy shop. So don't forget to like and subscribe, to leave a comment down below if you want us to try something different. So take care till we meet again. Bye!